குட் மார்னிங். இந்த வாரத்துக்கு நம்மளோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லாஜிக்கல் டெஸ்ட் ஆரம்பிக்க போறோம். லிங்க் எல்லாரும் ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. லிங்க்க யூஸ் பண்ணி ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ண மாரியே தான் பண்ண போறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் லைவ் டெஸ்ட்டா சால்வ் பண்றீங்க. நீங்களா ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறமா டெஸ்ட் முடிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸையும் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறோம். எப்படி அப்ரோச் பண்றதுன்னு. ஓகே. டெஸ்ட் ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். Select the set in which the numbers are related in the same way as the numbers of the following set. 3, 24, 4. Ten seconds தான் இருக்கு. That is option D, 4, 79, Padmavati correct answer பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Next question. Question number 2. 3 of the following 4-letter clusters are alike in a certain way and one is different. Pick the odd one out. 4 ஆப்ஷன்ல 3 ஆப்ஷன் வந்து ஒரு சிமிலர் பேட்டர்ன் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுது. 1 is the odd one out. இந்த ஆப்ஷன். ஆல்பபெட்ஸோட நம்பர்ஸை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்கன்னு நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். 6 seconds. Option D is that answer. Number 3 start பண்ணலாம். 3 of the following 4 numbers are alike in a certain way and one is different. Pick the number that is different from the rest. Pick the odd one out. Twenty seconds. Answer is option C. Okay, next question குள்ள போலாம். Question number 4. Lawyer is related to justice in the same way as arbitrator is related to லாயருக்கும் ஜஸ்டிஸ்க்கும் ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் இருக்கு. அதே ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் படி ஆர்பிட்ரேட்டருக்கு என்ன வரும்? Settlement is your answer. Yeah. எல்லாம் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் பண்ணி Number 5. Select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster. CEGI is related to AGEK. Similarly, DFHJ is related to 10 seconds தான் இருக்கு. BHFL is your answer. நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்கிங் கிடையாது. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு கடைசியில் ஆன்சர் தெரிலனாலும் யூ கேன் attempt. Okay, question number 5. Question number 6. Select the number pair in which the two numbers are related in the same way as are the two numbers of the following number pair. 36 and 84க்கு ஒரு ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் இருக்கு. அதே ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் படி இந்த 4 ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல எது ஃபாலோ பண்ணுது? சிக்ஸ் செகண்ட்ஸ் தான் இருக்கு. A is the correct answer. Okay, question number 7 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். Select the word pair in which the two words are related in the same way as are the two words in the following word pair. Book is related to thesaurus in a certain way. Similarly, which option follows the same relationship? Option B is the correct answer. Next question போலாம். Number 8. Select the number pair in which the two numbers are related in the same way as are the two numbers of the following number pair. 4:32. Five seconds தான் இருக்கு. Answer is option D. Padmavati and Maran correct answer. Action is related to reaction in the same way as stimulus is related to 10 seconds தான் இருக்கு. Response. Action ஓட opposite is reaction. So stimulus ஓட opposite is response. B has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 10 start பண்ணலாம். Select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster. Analogy. Twelve seconds தான் இருக்கு. Option B is your answer. P2 has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 11. 1875 is divided among A, B, and C in such a way that A's share is half of the combined share of B and C, and B's share is 1/4 of the combined share of A and C. By what amount is C's share more than that of A? C minus A கேட்குறான். Answer is 250 rupees. Okay, question number 12 start பண்ணலாம். 10 years ago, a father's age was 3 times that of his son, and 10 years from now, the father's age will be 2 times that of the son. What will be the sum of the ages of the father and the son at present? Ten seconds. This is option B. Question number 13. 2 mixtures contain milk and juice in the ratio of 2:1 and 4:5. If equal volumes of the two mixtures are mixed together, what would be ratio of milk to juice in the resulting mixture? Answer is 5:4. Okay, next question. Question 14. Rupees 820 is divided among 6 men, 8 women, and 12 boys in such a way that every woman gets amount equal to that received by one man and one boy combined, and that every man gets 1.5 times the amount received by a boy. What is the total amount received by 8 women? That is 400. No worries, இந்த question எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண தான் போறோம். Question number 15. The ratio of the present age of Mithali to that of Shabnam is 4:7. If difference between present age of Shabnam and Mithali after 5 will be 18, what is the sum of the present ages of Mithali and Shabnam? 20 seconds. Time முடிய போகுது. 66 years. The answer. Okay, question number 16. A cycle was sold for 4,140 with a profit of 15%. At what price could it have been sold to earn a profit of 25%? Answer option A, 4,500. Okay, next question. Question number 17. The average of 9 numbers is 40. If the average of the first 5 numbers is 38 and that of the last 5 is 50, then what is the fifth number? Is 80. Okay, question number 18. Nisha and Deepak are married and have a daughter, Tanya. Currently, Deepak is 5 years older than Nisha and Nisha is thrice the age of Tanya. If Tanya is 10 years old, what was her father's age at the time of his daughter's birth? Seconds. 4 seconds. Time முடிய போகுது. Answer is 25 years. Nishant Wood goat. Correct answer. Okay, question number 19. A father was 12 times as old as his son 20 years ago. Now he is twice as old as his son. What are the present ages of the son and father? Fifteen seconds. Time முடிய போகுது. 22 and 44 answer. John, Padmavati, and Vito correct answer. A figure based question அடுத்து question number 20. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Twenty seconds தான் இருக்கு. Answer is option D, 15. Nishant have answered the fastest. Okay, next question குள்ள போலாம். How many triangles are there in the given figure? Fifteen seconds இருக்கு. Option C, 22 is the correct answer. Okay, next question குள்ள போலாம். Question number 22. Two different positions of the same dice are shown. Which number will be at the top if 6 is at the bottom? 6 க்கு ஆப்போசிட்ல என்ன நம்பர் வரும் அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Answer is option D, 2. Okay, question number 23. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Twenty seconds. Actually, the correct answer is 25, not 29. Okay, correct answer is 25. So option D is the correct answer actually. ஒரு சின்ன key mistake. Correct answer is 25. Okay, next question, question 24. Two different positions of the same dice are shown. Which members will be at the top if 4 is at the bottom? 4 ஓட oppositeல என்ன இருக்கும்? Fifteen seconds. Answer is option A, 3. Vito and Nishan correct answer பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Okay, last question for today. Two different positions of the same dice are shown. Which number will be at the top if 1 is at the bottom? 1 க்கு oppositeல எந்த நம்பர் இருக்கும்? Option A, 4 is the correct answer. Vito has answered the first. Okay, இன்னைக்கு இது குவிஸோட வின்னர் பத்மாவதி. Okay, இன்னைக்கு இது questions ஒரு 5 minutesல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோம். டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, இப்போ கொஸ்டின்ஸ டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம்.